When I started automated trading, if someone told me I can make up to $6,000, I mean $6,000 with a free robot, I could tell the person. But this is what my bot made possible, right? And I'm going to show you my result in the past 84 days. Check this out with me. This is a whopping $6,000. I won't only show you how you can download this, but the step you need to follow. I'll also show you, all the steps, all the settings if you want to make free money through automated trading. This is 100% free bot. You don't ask you to pay a dime, right? The only thing you have to do, go to our Telegram channel, download it, set it up on your account, relax. As long as the market's open, you are sure of making profit for yourself. 100% free. Come on, guys, let's get into it and see all the trade history on my personal account. If you pay attention to my screen here, you're gonna notice I deposited about $15,000 on this account, and within 30 days this bot have make over $6,173. And if you pay close attention here, you're gonna see first update channel, right? This is our channel link because it's the free bot, right, which we are giving out. These are all the open position on this account right from day one. These are all the open position on this account right from day one, right? You can see the loss amount and the profit amount. This is 100% free, but what if I tell you that this is a free bot? A lot of people won't believe. Just check this. This is a free bot, bro. And we only withdraw about $10 on this account. And on this video, right, we're going to withdraw about $5,000 out of this account today, right? So let's move to my, here to my laptop to show you, the robot interface and how you can install it on your own account and target the same result. All right, if you pay attention to my screen here, you will notice so far today we already make over $200. Let me zoom this out. If you check here, right, let's see custom trade history. Let's see today. If you pay attention, this is today. This is today history. Let's do today, right? We click on okay. This is today. Click on okay. Boom. You notice this is all the profit so far today. And this is the robot interface. FU Infinity Gold Free First Robot, right? Which is first update Infinity Gold Free First Robot. This is so far today $100, bro. All right, so let now view all the trade history right from day one. Let's click on all history, right? It's gonna load. If I slow down here, which is this all the open and close position on this account. These are all the open and close position so far. Right, we are on profit of $6,118 on the $15,000 deposit, and I only withdraw $10 out of this account. These are all the trade history, my log, and the only trade gold USD. But imagine a free bot doing this, bro. Come on, guys, this is how amazing this is. Imagine making over $6,000 in 34 days with a free bot. This is to show you the power of the free bot. And if our free bot can do this, how about our premium bot, man? It's crazy, bro. That's why we are making consistent profit. We are making money every trading day, just like today. This is just our free bot. On our premium bot, I've already made over about $500 on our account. I'm not even talking about our manual trading strategy. You already sit me on over $7,000 just today alone. There are so many ways we are making money from the Forex market, and we also have so many ways you can make money for us without paying a dime. Our strategy here is there, 100% free. The bot is there to make you money. So make sure you check the description of this video. You're going to see a link that will take you to our Telegram channel. Download the bot, and at the end of the day, make sure you read all the recommendations. A lot of people don't like to read recommendations. They rather ask questions than to. Everything is already described, right? We take time, explain everything, recommended deposit, recommended broker, all the settings you must put in place. So come on, go trade, deposit money on your account. Let's make money together, bro. I don't see any need of you going out to pay for, if you really don't have enough money, you go out there to pay $100 or $50 for a shit bot which is going to be your account. Why our free bot is there for me to fund over $15,000. That's to show you how cool the robot is, because I'm not stupid to here to risk such amount of money on something that is not certain to make some profit, right? So check it out, and at the same time, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to do it because it helps us a lot, bro. Subscribe to the channel, right? I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Also, check out the post. Let's make money together. I remain your friend. First update. Bye for now, please. before you go, subscribe to the channel, like, and drop a comment right now. Let's go.